you're extracting the chip from the player, I use a little iPhone lightning connector. Just push and it'll come right out. You could also use like tweezers, or if your fingernail's long enough, you may be able to get it out. So typically the largest area is the direction you want to put the gold ends of the chip. If you have to force it, it's probably incorrect. Just turn it around and it should fit nice and flat. It should go in there nice and easy. So now we're just going to insert this USB-C into my Android device. Once that pops in, it's going to pop up like a USB drive, and I'm going to get to it just by going to my Files app here. A little file folder, tap on that. Now when I do my copy, I need to go to internal storage, then down to download, then CST downloads. This is where all the audio files are stored. Once you find the audio file you want to copy, just usually go by the latest date. You just want to tap your finger on it and hold. It'll bring up another option down in here at the bottom where you can tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, we just need to select the correct drive up here under USB storage. I'll tap on that. And tap copy here wherever you want to put that voice code. I'll often put it in several folders so I'm getting some exposure throughout the day or night. That's the whole process of copying the voice codes over to your Android. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.